Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Sinta Permatasari dengan NPM 22411045 dari kelas manajemen 22A. Saya di sini akan menjelaskan materi mengenai capital market. Capital market definition. In general, the meaning of the capital market is an organized financial system, including commercial banks and all intermediary institution in the financial sector, as well as all securities in circulation. The capital market is an activity related to public of offering and security trading. Public company related to the security they issue, as well as institution and profession related to security. Men will, according to Bruce Willis, the capital market acts as a liaison between investor and company and government, agency, trust, trading, long-term instrument, so as bond, shares, and other. Capital market mechanism. If we look at the type of capital market based of transaction time, the capital market mechanism is divided into two types. Transaction mechanism in the primary market. In simple terms, the definition of the primary market is a market where various securities are traded for the first time to investor before buying listed of the Indonesian stock exchange. If explained more fully, in the primary market, securities are offered to investors by the underwriters through the intermediary of securities they are as selling agent. This process is usually called an initial public offering, IPO. The secondary market is a market that trades various securities. After being listed of the Indonesian Stock Exchange, the secondary market provides investors with the opportunity to buy and sell after an offering is carried out on the primary market. The capital market mechanism is this market no longer occurs between investor and companies, but rather between investor and investor. After being listed of the stock exchange, shares and other securities can be freely traded by the public. Thus, investors who already own shares from the primary market can sell these shares to obtain capital gains in the secondary market. You can see example of secondary market transaction in trading activity using online software or everyday application, different from the primary market where prices are fixed. In the secondary market, securities prices will fluctuate due to supply and demand. To carry out transaction in the secondary market, investor will be charged transaction costs in the form of commission to brokers. The commission fee will be subject to VAT of 10% of the transaction value. Transaction investors are subject to a tax of 0.1%. Type of investment in the capital market. The capital market is also known as the stock exchange. In it, you can find various types of securities that are traded every day. These types of securities include shares are securities that are proof of ownership of a company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to receive dividend or profit sharing. Mutual fund. Mutual funds are known as investment instruments that serve as a forum for collecting and managing the funds of several investors. The funds are then managed by investment managers into various instruments such as money market, bonds, shares, or other securities. Capital market benefit. The capital market has benefit for issue parties conducting public offering, namely securities. Offering made by issue to sell securities to the public based on the products regulated in the applicable laws, as will assure investor. Benefit of capital market for issue. The amount of funds that can be raised in Israel. This fund can be retrieved at only when the primary market is finished. There are no covenants, so that management can have more freedom in managing fund company. The company solvency is high, thereby improving the company image. The issue dependency on bank become smaller. Benefit of capital market for investor. Investment value grows following economic growth. This increase is reflected in the increase in share prices, which achieve capital gains. Obtain dividend for those who own or hold shares, and also floating interest for bond holders can simultaneously invest in several instruments that reduce risks. Capital market function. The capital market as a means of increasing capital for business. Companies can obtain funds by selling shares to the capital market. The shares will be purchased by the general public, other company, institution, or by the government. Capital market as a means of equalizing income after a certain period of time. The shares that have been purchased will profit dividend part of the company profit to the buyer owner. Therefore, selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. Capital market as a means of increasing production capacity with additional capital obtained from the capital market, company productivity will increase. Sekian, terima kasih. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.